In today's video, I'm going to teach you Runway promo code updated 2026. If you're looking for a traditional promo code for Runway, the first thing to know is that Runway does not usually offer standard e-commerce style discount codes the way many online stores do. So instead of searching for a coupon box or waiting for a special code to appear, the smarter approach is to look at the official ways Runway lets users save money or get extra value. Start by going to Runway and checking the pricing options. One of the best built-in ways to save is through the annual plan discount. If you choose to prepay for a full year on eligible plans like Standard, Pro, or Unlimited, the monthly cost can drop by as much as 20%. This is usually the best option if you already know you'll be using Runway consistently, because the long-term savings can add up compared to paying month by month. Another option to look into is the student and educator discount. If you are a student or a teacher, Runway offers 25% off paid plans through its educators page. To access that discount, you typically need to verify your academic status through a third-party verification process. This can be one of the biggest savings available, so it's definitely worth checking if you qualify. Just make sure you use your academic information during verification when prompted. You can also save through referral credits. Runway users sometimes share active referral codes in creator communities online. If you sign up using a valid referral code from an existing user, both you and the person who referred you can receive a bonus of 1,000 credits. That can be especially helpful if you're just getting started and want more room to experiment with Runway's tools without immediately upgrading your plan. If you go this route, make sure the referral code is current and entered correctly during sign-up. And if you're not ready to spend any money yet, there is also a free plan. Runway offers a one-time allocation of credits on the free tier, which lets you test the platform and try out its AI models before committing to a paid subscription. This is a great way to learn the interface, understand how credits are used, and decide which plan makes the most sense for your workflow. So, while Runway may not have a standard promo code system, you still have several solid ways to save: annual billing, student or educator pricing, referral credits, and the free plan. If your goal is to get the best value in 2026, these are the options you should focus on first.